Egypt airport. Here we go. Alexandria. Okay. Alexandria airport, Egypt. Very nice, very simple process. Of course, not much travelers this time. I'm not sure the period, season, everything. But here we go. This is the passport control, the baggage claim. Probably my baggage would have come. Here the duty free. My baggage is coming in 5th conveyor belt. Probably would have come already. Let's check that. Just going out from the airport, Alexandria Airport. The airport is slightly far away from the location where I'm staying now in the hotel, which is near the beach, around 50 kilometer plus near the airport. They have Terminal 1, Terminal 2. Hello viewers, good evening to you. I am in Alexandria, Egypt. I'm going to show you the Crowne Plaza Hotel. And what I like always in any hotel where I stay, I want that ATM, sometimes the supermarket within the hotel. This is my always preferable choice, and I feel comfortable. Just right from the airport, you can draw your money from the bank in your hotel, then the airport ATM machines. It's a preference actually, but still my choice is, if hotel has everything, I'm very comfortable. I tell always the hotel to come and pick me up, and that is also more safe to a new place. That's giving some confidence until you reach to your hotel and the new location for me especially. Okay, so let's go and explore this now. The entrance of the hotel is very nice, and they have I'm seeing many football small football grounds here, if you see them, and there's a club also there's in and around this area where more football ground I can see. This is Bank Mercer. Okay, it's a full bank, and there's a coffee shop on the top. Kim's Coffee, Mix and More. And the Crowne Plaza Hotel. There's a security check before you enter the reception. Hotel gives you a very nice, appealing look. Closed. There is something on the top. Okay, this is some marriages happening, like a place for marriage hall, but the hotel entrance is this side. This is hotel entrance. The chocolates, sweet and low. Yeah. The clock. The Crowne Plaza. What? The reception. The lobby. They have some museum. Bar. I'm trying to reach my room. They have kept rooms on the left and the right side. Here there are some 2 rooms this side, and the other side is this one. Now we'll continue our room tour. Our room tour, Crowne Plaza. They have sanitary bag, shower cap, vanity kit, the lights. Okay, what else? Shower, shampoo, body lotion, and shower gel. Okay. Yes, similarly, body lotion, hand wash, hair dryer. Okay, very good. What I like in this is the small cupboard. That's excellent. They utilize the space very well. hanger as usual in any other place. Let's go there. Here the laundry bag. What else is here? Shoe shine. Swing it. Safety locker. Safe. And things here. Just drawers. These are all coffee, free coffee. You have tea bags. Teacups. Okay, free water bottle. They do have the mini bar, and these are all chargeable. It's a AC control point. Cupboard here. The room and the bed. I don't know why 3-bed type. And I am not sure what I booked also. Okay. Here a mirror. Yes, and a TV. You have sufficient plug point. Yes, it's a different pin, like not the other type of UAE type. Yeah, this I like, that office type of setup. Okay, here the screen. They've kept automatic switch to open here. Yes, here we go. It's a night time. Weather is somewhat okay weather. Not hot at all. It's normal, very good climate. We can see people are staying out. The time is 10:37. They call it some club here. I can see the football grounds. That's very good. That's all. I am winding up the room tour, my hotel room tour. I am going to take the video of the hotel. Probably I will include them in the front. Otherwise the hotel is good. The local currency, Egyptian pound, it's 100 Egyptian pound, almost equivalent to $2. It's a new feeling of touching another currency. The travel experience always nice. See ya.